everybody! Hey everybody, so hey everybody, it's hey everybody. Hey, what's up, what's up? Hey, good afternoon. This is Oksana with Craft and More. Got my package in. It only weighs about 100 pounds, 120. Once I lose some weight, I'll be about this much. But this is an amazing package. It is my laser machine, laser cut, laser etch, called the Glowforge. So I just had it cut open. I'm about to pull it out of the box. So here we go. I am actually going to set it up on this area right here. Hence 2-in-1 dog crate for this little fella. Okay. This thing's well, get out! Blue! Cut! Cut the tape!
Those of you that don't know, this Glowforge is one of the best laser machines you can probably get. It's pretty affordable in comparison to other laser machines.
Part 2, once I get everything set up over there, I will go ahead and open this up. This is called the crumb tray. You will see this will become a hot mess once it's used quite a bit. Be sure to keep it clean. Every time you use and finish using, clean it out. We're gonna move towards this dryer vent. If you have an extra $1,000, you can actually buy a like a ventilator system inside the home. But you don't have that much. Do what I did. I just busted the screen. My husband wasn't too happy about that. But, I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do, you know? Keep business alive. So, the dryer vent, one of them goes on the back side of the Glowforge on the left hand side. The other one is gonna go to whatever pocket of window that you found. Each of them comes with 2 hooks.
So anyways, you would squeeze the 2 of these together just to kind of have it easier access on and off. It goes on pretty easily, so it doesn't take a lot of effort. And then you're just going to stick it out into your daddy's head. Alright. Now, I would definitely recommend to find a better system than this because it will make your house smell like fire and smoke from our previous Glowforge that we've had. So anyways, once the camera's cut off, we will have a better system, but this is just for time purposes. This is how we'll get that set up. Moving on, if you look at the bottom of the box, it does also come with a cord. This is the cord that you're going to use to plug in the Glowforge and obviously into an outlet. So we will have that set up. And then also every Glowforge, whether you buy the basic, the pro, or the plus, does come with an extra set of materials. And these are basically just freebies. You don't pay extra for them. It comes with your Glowforge, but you pay quite a bit of money for the Glowforge.
So what we're going to do, go ahead and uncoil these. So I went ahead and plugged everything in on the very back of the Glowforge. There is an on and off button. Super simple. Here we go. Right here we'll start flashing color, whether it's green or red, and then you'll be able to start your first project. So here we go. So this is just a setup. Obviously, the actual following through with the process of creating something will be another video another time. But thank you for watching.